Hello, good morning. Welcome to a new language class with Mrs. Erika Costa from Escuela Bilingüe Honduras. We continue in our week 3, day 2. Let's review adverbs. Adverbs are words that can tell when, where, or how something happens. Okay. Let's work in our Readers and Writers notebook, page 342. Let's read. Adverbs. An adverb is a word that can tell when, where, or how something happens. Examples. Now the movers pack the furniture. They carry the furniture outside, and they carefully load the van. As you see, we have words that are underlined. The first one is now. This means that the adverb tells us when. Okay? When it happened? Now. In the sentence number 2 or the second sentence, the word that is underlined is outside. It means that the adverb tells us where they carry the furniture. They carry outside. And in the next one, the word that is underlined is carefully. They carefully. It means that how they did that, they did carefully. So adverbs tell us when, where, or how something happens, okay? Adverbs can come before or can come after the verbs they describe. And adverbs that tell how something happens often end in "ly." So every time that you see a word, or usually a word that has "ly" at the end or "ly," and we are trying to find adverbs, this means the word that finishes in "ly" is an adverb. Usually that happens, okay? Directions. Underline the adverbs in the sentences. Number 1. Kim's mother often cooks Korean dishes. Let's find the adverb. Very good. Often. Number 2. The chops cabbage carefully. Oh, she chops cabbage carefully. Yes, carefully is the answer. So underline carefully. Number 3. She gently mixes more vegetables. Gently, very good. Number 4. She quickly cooks the mixture on the stove. Quickly, very good. You are so smart. Directions. Choose the correct word in parentheses to write each new sentence. Number 5. Everyone usual or usually. Usually, very good. Everyone usually wears costumes to the school party. Number 6. Kim, happily or happy? Very good, happily. Kim happily wears her Korean outfit. Number 7. The jacket fits tight or tightly? Tightly, very good. The jacket fits tightly around her shoulders. Number 8. The skirt falls loosely around her feet. Okay, excellent. Now let's work page 300, okay? While you continue checking your page 342. Okay, I give you more minutes. Okay. Excellent. Okay, you finished already. We go to page 348. Adverbs. Directions. Read the selection, then read each question that follows this selection. Decide which is the best part to each question. Mark the space for the answer you have chosen. Korea. It rains heavily in Korea in winter. After the rains, the rice grows quickly in the wet fields. Farmers soon plant some vegetables, and fishermen work there on the coast. They catch many kinds of fish easily. Some farmers grow oranges yearly. And today, Korea produces much food. Which word is an adverb in sentence 1? It rains heavily in Korea in winter. Very good, heavily. Number 2. Which word is an adverb in sentence 3? Sentence 3 says farmers soon plant some vegetables. How does the farmer do that? Soon. Very good. Question number 3. Which word is an adverb in sentence 4? Fishermen work there on the coast. Where do fishermen work? Oh, they work there. Very good. Question number 4. Which word is an adverb in sentence 5? They catch many kinds of fish easily. How do they do that? They do that easily. Very good. Question number 5. Which word is an adverb in sentence 7? Today, Korea produces much food. When does Korea produces that? Today. Very good. Okay? So in the first sentence, the adverb tells us how the rain comes. The rain comes heavily. The question number 2 or the sentence number 3, tells us how farmers plant the vegetable. They do when farmers know how. It's when farmers do that, they do soon. In sentence number 3 or number 4, fishermen work there on the coast. Where do they do that? There. So the adverb tells us where the farmers or the fishermen work. Okay? In sentence number 5, question number 4 in sentence 5, they catch many kinds of fish easily. How do they do that? How do they catch the fish? They catch easily. It asks how they do that. And in sentence number 7, today Korea produces much food. When do they do that? They do today. Very good. So once you finished, you can play or you can get ready for our reading class today by Zoom. Okay? So thanks for your attention. You did a good job. Love you guys. See you tomorrow.